Okay, so there are two websites for WordPress. So like you can get the free version of the WordPress, and you can get the commercial full featured licensed version of the WordPress. Both the things you can get. And if you have your own domain, and if you have your own hosting service, then you can go and directly you can go to this wordpress.org site and get WordPress, and you can download and you install it in that particular hosting. So this is free software. Okay, so but we need a lot of plugins. So plugins are extra functionalities, and those are the premium plugins. And you need the hosting service also along with the WordPress software. Like if you want to use the hassle-free service of the WordPress, then you can go for this wordpress.com. Okay, so both the cases you can use it. So if you go to this wordpress.com, so the packages, I'm just clicking it because already I have that. Okay, so we can, once if you purchase the premium software, and the advantage is they will give you the hosting also. And if you look at the pricing also, it is very simple, like 200 rupees per month, 350 rupees per month, 129 per month, 769 per month. Okay, so likewise you can purchase any package and you can start creating that. So once if you purchase this account, so these all are the backend features or the functionalities which you will get. So first of all, we must learn understand the WordPress structure. In the WordPress, there is nothing but a theme. So theme is nothing but theme will decide the look and feel of your entire website. In the WordPress, there will be a theme and there will be a plugin. So theme will decide the look and feel of the uh, website. So there will be a lot of themes, like let us see. So let us go to this theme forest. Okay, so in that there is a Avada theme. So there are so many different themes. Let us take this one, Avada theme. So if you observe how this look and feel is managed, there is a space, there is the content. Okay, so exactly you can do the same thing, and with some functionalities you can see some effects are there. Okay, and these all are the features you will get in that particular Avada theme. And you have so many different websites also. See here, these many websites you have. So classic website, corporate website, energy website. Suppose if you need a digital agency website. So this is the, again, perfectly specially for that. So this is the digital agency website, the studio, services, projects, products, the magazine or blog. Okay, so this is how it is useful for the, so everything is scattered over there. All the content is also related to that digital agency. Okay, so this is how one can write that. So this is the theme. You decide which theme you wanted to go. So likewise, you have so many themes. So themes decide the look and feel of your website. So write down. Theme decides the look and feel of the website. So now you can purchase, you can select any theme. So I have already purchased the Avada theme and install. So these are the Avada theme settings. So you will get all the theme settings over here in this Avada theme. Then the next one is, let us go to the media. So media is a place wherein whatever you upload or whatever the image you upload in any post, automatically that will be stored in the media section separately. And if you have any documents also, you can have the documents separately. Okay, so if you have any videos, it can give you the videos. If you have any podcast, it can give you the podcast. So it is organizing in a beautiful way. So the advantage for us is we can get the URL for this. Any image if you take and if you edit that, so there will be a URL separately for that. Okay, so that means this URL, you can access this URL, you can access this image with this particular URL. So please remember that. So this kind of thing is very useful as and when you require. We'll see that later on. Okay, so likewise we can use that. Now the next thing is the pages. So there will be pages and posts. So both are similar, but what exactly mean by page and what exactly mean by post, that you need to understand. Page is something which cannot be changed very frequently. Like your home page will be there, contact us page will be there, about us page will be there. Okay, so after 10 days also, after 1 week also, after 3 months also, after 1 year also, these pages would be remain same, right? They are not going to change. And the pages which are not going to change or their content is not going to change, we create the page for all such kind of purposes. And there will be a post. So what post? Post is something time dependent. Like it may be valid for a day, for a week, for a month, something like that. So usually blogs, every blog will contain post. If you are writing so many articles, so we call it as a post over there. And the remaining things we can call it as pages only. We write it. So whenever we are in need of pages, we create the pages. Whenever we are in need of post, we create the post. So that is the difference between the pages and post. Technically, both are same. Technically, both are same. Even Google gives more priority to the Google gives more priority to the post than the pages, because Google wanted to promote the post regularly. So that is the reason why all the articles we write it in the post only. Yes. Now let us see. So we have professional SEO consultants. We have two pages for this. Why do we have these two pages? Let us see that. See, these many pages I have created. These many pages are there on my website. Digital marketing strategic alliance consultant, Google marketing consultant, inbound consultant. Okay, all the consultant related. Okay, so they have created the separate page, but not, yeah. Okay, so let us create a new page then. So you will get some idea about that. Okay, so I'm writing it is e-commerce marketing consultant. Okay, so now in the Avada, as I have purchased the Avada, so there are two builders. Three types of builders we have. So these builders are nothing but you have the WordPress, right? MS Word, Microsoft Word document in your web system, operating system, right? And there may be a counterpart to that, which is nothing but the what is the counterpart to that MS Word? Open source org something is right. Okay. So likewise, there may be some XYZ applications. Like we have the Notepad and advanced version is the WordPress, WordPad, and advanced version is Microsoft Word document, right? In the same way, in the WordPress also we have different word processing or builder tools. One is Gutenberg, one is Avada Builder, the another one is Elementor. Okay, so these all are the additional plugins which can give you more comfort in creating any pages uh, and using the same assets multiple times across all the website. So here,
And we have to select one, sir, out of these three.
yeah, any one only you can select, not at a time, all the three. So usually Elementor is more popular. So sometimes when you purchase the theme, when you purchase the premium theme, so in that premium theme, automatically they will give you the builder also. So like they have given me this WordPress Avada builder. So we are using that Avada builder now. Okay. So likewise, there will be Gutenberg builder. There will be Gutenberg is nothing but the by default builder. Gutenberg is nothing but the default builder from the WordPress community. And Elementor is the third party builder. Avada builder is the third party builder. And there will be Fusion builder is also there. So that is also third party builder. Likewise, you can find so many builders separately. So now I'm just taking this. So you may be like we are now getting this look and feel now. We are about to now how to get this. Let us see how we are doing that. Okay. If you understand the structure of that particular page, so they have divided the whole web page space into two columns. So that is the reason why 1 by 2 you can see. So they have divided the whole space into two columns, right? Then later on it is the full width container. This is also full width container. So this is what they have. This is how they have organized the entire page over there. So similarly, we should also do the same thing now. So now this is the page, and I am selecting the container. First, they have selected the half 1 by 2, 1 by. Okay, so this type of container they have selected, right? I am selecting the same now. So for me, I can get the same structure. Okay, so we are not writing any code. By doing these things only, you are automatically, like, the code will be written indirectly, but for us it is very comfortable. Now the next one is, this is over. So we are now preparing the layout first. So half it is done. Then later on we have completely, I think, one full width container, like 1 by 1, right? Then we have 1/3, 1/6 we have. Okay, so then later on let us take this one more container, one full width container. I'm taking two full width container because some other container, some information is there. Then we are taking 1/6, 1/6 part. So where is that 1/6? 1414. Yeah, so here we have the 1/6. Yeah, here we have the 1/6, all 1/6 only. In that they have added only two. So only two elements they have used. The remaining they kept it ideally. Okay, simply. Okay, so they need only two, right? So we can delete the other one. We can use the two only. Okay. So this is how they have section. Now let us add the element like this. What they are adding now? So they simply adding the content, text content over there, and there is something. So what is this element? Let us see. So if I click on this is the element options. So if I click on this, they have taken the text blocks over there, and this is the text which they have added. I'm copying the same copy, and they have added the text box over there. So I'm adding the elements. So these are the elements which you will get, and out of that they have taken the text box. I'm taking the text box and pasting over there. Okay, so in the next side they have taken an image. Then again, let us, if you click on this, you will automatically get the block name over here. And if you observe, this is the global block. So this is the global block. So that means already which they have created, and they are just simply calling the block, the same block. So we can also see there will be a global blocks over here. So library elements, nested elements, studio. Okay, so this is the block, I think. Yeah, the same thing. So this is what the column which they are using. Okay, get a callback follow. This is the get a callback. So they are using that actually. Okay, so we have installed that. Now I just need to paste this, locate this in this element region. Okay, so I don't need this now. Yeah. So automatically, because they have already prepared and saved that, so we have just called that back. Now here, so whatever is we change it over there, everywhere this would remain same. Otherwise, we can clone this and we can use it. So we are just making a clone of this, the complete element. We have cloned this, and now it is global. I'm making it is local now. I have removed that global status, and I am making it as e-commerce marketing consultant. Okay, I don't need this now. I'm deleting the whole container. Yeah, I've deleted the whole container. Now this is the local section. So whatever you write, it will affect only here. Okay, so this is how we have fixed. Let us see publish that, how we are able to see this. So there will be option called view page. So just look at that. Okay, so by default you have added this text, you have added this form, we have created this. So likewise, so the remaining sections we just need to add it. So what are the remaining sections? There is marketing intro, and again in that also they have two for containers, right? So this one is one container, our services, and I think it got repeated twice is there in that. So we can delete one. Okay, marketing intro. Then there will be services one. So services one, in that they have taken, they have divided, or they have taken the half over there, half container. Two halves they have taken, and in that they have given the checklist, increase the brand, and there is some space they have given, and get a consultation button. So if you look at the page view, then we can understand. Okay, one time that this is there, page. So increased awareness, brand awareness, and all these things they have. So this is such kind of content. Again, they are calling it. Okay. So let us take the services one only. Yes, Chetna, you can add as many photos as you want. So for that, you need to take the separate uh, container. Suppose if I want to add more number of images only. Okay, so here I have the element. In that element you have the image related elements. Suppose this is the image as it is. So this is image after and before, image carousel. So if you have images, multiple images, you can have this. So let us play with these images as you asked. So this is some image, just you need to upload over there. I'm uploading one image. Okay, so something like that I'm uploading. This is that image. One more element I'm adding, that is image before and after. So this is image before and after. So what is image before and after? Let us see. So this one is image before. Okay, this one is image after. We'll see the magic. Okay, how exactly it works. And one more element. What was that? Image carousel was there, right? Yeah. Now let us go to this. Okay, so you have the images before and after, right? So this is the after, this is the before. Okay, so you got this kind of functionality just by selecting the images only. Got it? So you need to plan very concretely with the information which you have over there. Okay, accordingly you can play with it. So it is before, it is after. So this kind of, see, you need to decide which element you have to use, when exactly you have to use, those things you have to decide. But these all are the functionalities which are there over there for us. Okay. Likewise, see, once if you install this builder, so you should play with all the elements. What exactly? See, you need to have the control and command over these images. So we have the image. Next one is the image carousel. So carousel means the n number of images you can add it. So it will work over there. So you decide how many images you add it over there. Like bulk images also you can add. So bulk add, if I add, so I can select multiple images. This one, something like that. So now you can see these many images I have selected, and see the carousel over there, how exactly it will show. You play with each and every element which you want. Okay, it has selected only one image, so we should add one more image. Okay, so if we have bulk add, means it is taking from the media. Let us see the preview of this, how exactly this carousel is placing. So WordPress is very easy platform, as see, this is the carousel. So 1, 2, 3 in the same way. And if you have more images, it will scroll also. Automatically it will scroll. So this is such kind of carousel. You can play with it. Then we have, I'm deleting this carousel now. I'm deleting this image after and this also, right? So we can have, so all these things like flip boxes are there, Google Map is there, media slider is there. Okay, so we have person, postcard, post slider, so progressive bar, sound cloud. So you can install a sound over there, only audio file. You can install a video over there, YouTube video over there, and these all are the different elements. So you can play with. So these all are the nested elements. So if you need any assets directly, that element, design elements, for time being, if you want to place something, so readily you have all these things like counter boxes, you can say. So these all are the counter boxes. If you need something like this, you can have, so readily available. So these are the images before and after. Sample for everyone. So these all are the tabs. If you need any vertical tab elements, so you have that. Content boxes also readily available. So if you want to display the content in this format, you can have this format, this format, this format. So readily you can have all these things. So just you need to select that and change the content, right? So these are the three gallery images. So this is the image collage we call it as. So if you want to install, if you want to display the images like this model, so you select that. These are the carousels. So by default, this content is there. So two types of checklist we can have. So that is also there. So for every element, there is a sample element for you. Okay, whatever the element which we can use it. For every element, we can have the sample. So this is the toggle button. So toggle means if you click on this, it will expand that. You have all such kind of things. So let us see this toggle. So there will be a toggle. Yeah, so this is the toggle. Your content over here. Okay. So this is how you can organize your, you just need to select what all the elements you want and you can organize the pages over there. In the same way, if you want to even customize further the entire theme of your website, you have the appearance section. There you can have the themes over there. So just go there. So there will be, by default in WordPress also you will get a lot of themes. So these many themes you got it. But we have purchased the theme and we have selected that theme. But anything if you want, you can use this. So here these are the my themes which is active now. So this Avada theme I have selected. But there will be all themes like trending themes you can see 2021, 2022, 2020. Like every year they will release one professional theme. So that in especially in the WordPress. So those themes are very powerful because the whole year they spend only on one theme and they come up with a good theme for you. So you can select that. See, this is 2021. You can see that. So this one may be good. Then you will be having 2022 also will be there. 2017 is, it is 2017. It is 2020. So 2022. So this one is the latest one. So likewise, if you don't want to purchase the premium theme, so you can work with the 2021, 2022 like that. So those also good. So those all are the themes. And if you want, you can customize your themes. So this is how. And if you want to customize your existing theme also, you can select this. So this is a customize option. So the customize, it is like when we customize these all are the global settings. So entire site wide it will change. Okay, so this is what my entire space. So this is the identity. So there we have uploaded our photo over there, and this is what we have written. Whatever we have written, it is displaying wherever it is possible, right? So these all are the colors. So we have selected, and the header image. So we have not selected any header image for this, and background image also not selected. And these all are the menus. Like if you see the global footer, okay, so this is the company resources and services. So we have this global footer over here. Okay, so who we are, contact us. If you are able to see, so this is the company column, and we have created all those things over here. Okay, so likewise, so we have all the menus over there. These are the homepage settings. So we need only a static page. The event calendar we are not select, but we can do all these things. So these are the things which if you want you can customize. And this is the mobile view or tablet view. This is the completely mobile view. So you can see all the mobile view also over here. You can set it up the mobile view as well as the desktop view. Okay, so let us close this. Right, so we have the theme, and if any coding wise if you want to edit also you can edit. So there is a theme file editor. In the appearance only there will be a theme file editor. It will take us to the code area. So sometimes if you want to add the code also, so there will be for every, if you know the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, so you can find the different files for each and every target or activity. So likewise, you have these many elements. For every element, there will be a file. And if you want, you can customize anyone. Like usually we play with the header.php. So let us go to this header.php. So there we will usually put all the codes. So this is the header section of the website. So whatever the code, if you want to install, you can install over here. But so it is recommended that not to touch the code at all over here. But WordPress is so comfortable, like the convenient. So wherein if you want to customize anything, we can customize, but with the complete knowledge. So you must have the complete grip on the theme. Then accordingly you must use this. Otherwise, the look and feel you will lose. So whatever it is already there, you will lose that. So better not to touch this. Okay, but I'm showing that. These all are the plugins. Once if the themes is completed, so the appearance themes, then we have the plugin. So these all are the premium plugins. So plugin is nothing but it will add up the extra functionality to your website. So you don't need to develop. You don't need to hire a developer and get a new functionality developed. So because there will be a lot of plugins, developed plugins will be there. So just you need to pay and use those plugins. Something like suppose, so as already we have seen that we have understood that a theme is nothing but a dress. Okay, so of your website, theme is nothing but a dress of your website, and the plugins are nothing but the functionalities. Like you want to add eyes to your website, so for that you need to select the right plugin. Every plugin will every plugin adds extra functionality that will enhance the visitor experience, and that will enhance the visitor experience to the customer, that will enhance the visitor experience. So usually, so these many plugins we have. So contact form 7 means there are different plugins. You need to have the grip on that plugin. So now for especially for the search engine optimization only, we have these many plugins. So see here, this one is installed now. But apart from that, we have so many other plugins also. So they will display it later on. Yeah, it is one plugin which is installed, SEO plugin, and then e-commerce and business plugin we have. Okay, so I think they are only showing these things. So let me go to this plugins section. Yeah, and category wise they are giving you. So booking and scheduling, social. Okay, so shipping, marketing. So post and postings, business. Suppose let us take this marketing. So these all are the marketing plugins which you have. Okay, if you want, that will add up an extra functionality to you, and you should see what exact, so whether it is really worth paying or not. So I recommend only use the free. So they will premium plugins they will give you anyhow. So only use that. Otherwise, don't use anyone. Suppose if I need any site ticket, I need a site kit. So I have already installed the site kit over there to handle all the Google products in one go. So where can I see that site kit? I'm just typing the site kit. Okay. So this site kit by third party. I'm not getting that. Okay, I'm typing Google site kit. So there is no site kit, it is showing. So it is showing only the existing one or installed plugins, but it must show the whole library actually. We will get a lot of plugins. So these are the free plugins you can see. Again, it is taking us back to the same thing. So usually as it is the premium one, it is promoting the other tools only. But usually if you go to the wordpress.org, so these are the plugins library. Whatever you want, you can have multiple plugins over there. So something like I need SEO related plugins. So for the SEO related only, it is showing Yoast SEO, all-in-one, Rank Math, SEO Press. Okay. So these many plugins you have. 51 plus next also you have. So these many plugins only related to the SEO. Okay. Likewise, now I need a booking. I want to add a appointment booking functionality to my website. Okay. Then what do? I just type appointment booking. Okay. So appointment booking also. So for this again we have this plugin booking package appointment booking calendar system. So the entire booking system you are going to install, and but this plugin has been installed or used only by 10,000 people. So you can see the 10,000 plus active installation. Okay, but for somebody saying that it is 40,000 plus active installations. Okay, so likewise whatever it has more bookly 60,000 plus active installations. Okay, whatever the plugin which has more installations, so that means that is more useful, right? That is more popular. So you can select that. So now as we got this 60,000 plus something, so we should go with this bookly and WordPress online booking and scheduling plugin. Once if you see how exactly it works, so this is the video they are providing. Okay, so just to see what all the features it has for that plugin. So this is the look and screenshot. Service time details. Okay, so very user friendly, like user friendly or appearance is good for this particular plugin. So only the booking, appointment booking only, you have so many plugins, right? So you decide which one you want to install, and you can just watch this video also. Okay, so they are giving you the demo page, so you can see how exactly it works. Okay, likewise. So for every different functionality, so you don't need to spend that much time and wait for the output, because if you hire the developer also, you are not sure about the quality, right? But here with the plugins, you can judge the quality, and once if you are okay with that, then only you can install it directly. And in the free one, you can install all these three free, but it is premium one, it is not allowing me to install anything, but I'm showing you over there. Okay, so likewise, so we have the booking and scheduling. So let us see what is booking and scheduling. WooCommerce booking only we have. Okay, yeah. So these all are the different functionalities. So only pages and post, themes and plugins. So these all are the four default elements or which are common, but the remaining are again customized or related to whatever the website you have. So this is how in WordPress you can create the pages. Okay, so how simple it is. So first of all, to play with this WordPress, you need to have your own hosting first. Okay, so you should have the hosting, then you can install your WordPress, then you can play with it. So if you want to post anything, a new article, so create a new, add new post, and you install the column or container over here. So by default it is giving you this. So just install a container, the full width container or the whatever the container you want, and you should add that. To add the content, we need to select the text box. Okay, in the text box again you write or paste all your article and you customize it. So that is how it works. Okay guys, so this is how one can create the WordPress website easily. What do you feel? Is it easy, or you need a practice on this? If you need a practice on this, somebody has to purchase the hosting package, so that we will see from the scratch, we will see how to install the WordPress and how to set up the home theme and everything like that. Anybody has the WordPress hosting or normal hosting packages with you?
No, sir.
Okay, so those who wants to create their own website, so you can have the domain and hosting, then you can see this. But this is how simply the WordPress is. So before that, before the class, you might be knowing that WordPress is something which may be a complex, but this is how simple system it is. Okay, so you don't write even a single line of code, but you can get everything done. Okay, you can get everything done. Yes, it is a practice, it is a different skill altogether. It will take some time, not instantly overnight. You cannot build something, but yes, I can say that if you purchase the premium themes or something, you can easily create the websites. So within a day or two, you can create the complete website, like 5 pages website, 10 pages or 20 pages website. You can easily create with the WordPress. Yeah, need a practice. Okay, so again, your requirement also will change, right? Depending upon the theme, everything will change. So first you need to decide which theme you wanted to purchase or which theme you wanted to install. If you want to install the free theme also, free themes as I told you, 2021, 2022, those themes will be there. And if you want to get the hands-on experience or you play with those themes first, then later on you can plan other one. Okay, so yes, it needs practice. Okay, so that is all about the WordPress. I think we have covered every topic now in the basics with regard to basics. And tomorrow I'm going to start the Google Ads. So I think tomorrow. So today is Friday.
It's Thursday, sir. Oh, sorry. Your is Friday morning. Yes.
Okay. So again, we'll continue it on Monday. Yeah, we'll complete it. We'll continue it on Monday. And on Monday I'm going to start. On Monday I'm going to start the Google Ads. Okay. So directly we create the Google Ads on Monday. So before that, so you focus on the certification part as well as all these things, whatever we are learning. So just spend some time on this. Okay. Anybody who need internship, like if you have the full day time and you can work for a time being and would like to join an internship, let me know. Send me your resume and mention that internship required. So we would provide you the internship opportunities. So in the internship, you will be having more scope so that you can learn so many things from the other people, right?
Is it full time or part time, sir?
It depends on you whether you work on full time or part time. But do you have the timings like here in Indian timings? You will sleep over there, right? That is your night
Yeah, that's
timing.
my big problem. So it is already 11:15 in the night here.
Hmm. So 11:15 means for them like after 10 o'clock only they would give you the assignments. So it is midnight for you over there.
Yeah, it's going to be 1 o'clock in the night.
Hmm. Okay, so we'll see if any internship opportunities are there in US or Canada. So you are based in Canada or US only?
I'm in Canada, sir. Toronto.
Okay, so Canada means we'll check with my client if any internship is there. So, but you are a doctor, right? So can you spend
Yeah,
some
sir.
time on this?
Yeah, sir. I finish my clinic by 4:30, so I can
Mm-hmm.
spare 2 to 3 hours in the evening.
Okay, we'll see
Yeah.
then. Yeah.
And I need a help to do my resume because the resume I have it is just with all the doctor, my internships, my degrees.
Mm-hmm.
I have to make with the when I finished your with your course. So I need the help to how I can create a good resume for your digital marketing. And meantime, I'll try to finish my certification, Google Ads certification as well, sir.
Yeah, but already I have shared that resume to you in the material itself. I think you have not gone through that. So in the
Not
material
yet.
itself, I have clear separately given all the interview and questions and resume JD test if you observe. So there you
Okay.
can find a sample resume over there.
Okay.
So there is a sample resume in that. So sample resume recommended. So there is a sample resume. So you can
Mm-hmm.
just have that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is how the sample resume is given to you. You just copy that and paste and use it.
Yeah. So
Right?
like I don't have a degrees like I am not BSc in maths and everything.
Whatever
So
you want
should
to
I
include,
write?
no, whatever you want to include, you include. Whatever you don't want, you delete that.
Okay. So I can, that's my question. So can I put like what I did it? I did the master's in optometry, then I did the bachelor's in science like that.
Yeah,
Will it work?
yeah.
Would be okay?
In digital marketing, everything is works. Like if you fail, if you are a failed graduate, also it works because for them the people who can take the responsibility work on.
Right. Okay.
Okay, so it is not something like the clinic kind of thing, right? Suppose if you are a doctor, so you need to have more certification, then only somebody will give you the job, right? Because
Okay.
they are responsible somewhere else, right? But in
Right.
digital marketing, it is not like that. Suppose if it is an IT course also, IT product, IT development also, because
Mhm.
they are going to deliver a new product, so they need a certified professional so that one can ensure that there is a quality is being passed on. But
Right.
in marketing, it is not something like that. Only the Google certifications, if you have, that is okay. Otherwise, also no, it is okay
Mm-hmm.
because a lot of works which are which need the manpower only.
Right.
So you will get a lot of scope over here in this digital marketing. So just
Okay,
go through
sir.
the material which I have shared with you, and you
Mm-hmm.
can
I
find
will,
everything.
sir.
Yeah.
Sure,
Yes.
sure.
Kumari
Thank you, sir.
Asta, what is that? Sample resume is already there in that folder itself, your material itself. Kumari Asta, you are saying without paid internship. See, see if suppose you are, I am sending you, giving you the internship opportunity. They will conduct an interview and they will select you. If they are paying you something, why should I stop? So I have no intervention over there. If they are not paying also, I have no intervention over there. So I would give you an opportunity. Whether it is a paid internship or free internship, it depends on you and your skill and the responsibilities and the time which you are allocating over there, and the other people also, what exactly they want to achieve. So it is win-win situation. It should be win-win situation for both of you. But if you are expecting some money, so just remember that you need to have some skill. Then you can expect. So first you go with the free internship, then later on you seek the paid internship, then later on you go for a job. So that is up to you.
So makes sense.
Okay.
One more question,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, please.
So when we done with this course, right, sir?
Hmm.
Uh, I'm just asking in general, like when we finish this course and everything, and like we will pursue with this course, and if still we need any question, any help, like can we text you? Can we
Yeah,
ask you?
already see, no, already we have that WhatsApp group, right? So what is the
Yes,
purpose
sir.
in adding the WhatsApp group? So for that
So it
only
will
purpose.
still will work after the even we done with this course?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
that will be there. Yeah. Anybody? Simi ma'am, are you there still?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So do you have any agencies in Canada who needs the consultants like me?
I will ask someone, sir,
Yeah.
because
If you,
I didn't start search on it because I'm still learning from you. So, but like I'm thinking to start searching and like seeing how what type of the opportunities I have here, and I will let you know as well, sir.
okay. So you just explore the agencies. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So that
Right, sir.
we would work on that any project. So I will take you as an intern over there.
Okay,
So,
sir.
because they also need the consultant like the senior professional, so they might also be suffering over there because of
Right,
lack
sir.
of the resources. So, if you
Mm-hmm.
could find any agencies which need the consultants like me, so we can connect over there, and you will be getting the opportunities over there.
Yeah, what I why I am opting this, like why I think to do this one. So after the COVID, everything is on computers, right? So
Yes, yes.
here I am in Canada and US. There's a lot of opportunities for ITs. A lot.
Hmm.
They have a less candidates and there's a more job opportunities.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
But what
So
about the
and sir,
weather? With weather, that does the weather cooperate? Like, can we survive over there with that weather?
so winters is just started. So we are going through with the fall. It's a week or two left, and then winters. And after November here in Toronto, it stays like minus 13, 15. Weather goes bad in minus. You are asking the weather, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
But
December, Jan, and
but
Feb
do
is
you
minus
think
15.
that under those circumstances we can survive and make money over there?
Oh, yeah, sir.
Hmm?
Definitely. So that's why they start doing the work from home. And all these companies are working. When they don't work, it's just for 2 weeks because here Christmas and the New Year Eve is like a big celebration. And
Hmm.
so they don't like work for, like we called it happy holidays. It starts from most likely December 21st to till Jan 3rd or 4th. That's 2 3 weeks like you will not get any projects or work and anything. Nobody works in those days,
Hmm.
but rest of they have a really good one, sir. I know now economy I heard like is going something down, like some recession, possibility of recession. I don't know, but till
No,
now,
I have seen so many recessions, so we know how to handle the recession. That is not at all.
otherwise there is really good one. So people have work projects and then everything. While see, I'm not a person like who is working in the IT, but
Hmm.
still I know that like IT career is so good. Even my hospitals are people like who take care of our all this stuff
Hmm.
whole year every time. Like they are more occupied than us.
Okay.
So yeah, I think it's a good. Still, we have a good opportunity here, sure, for
Oh,
IDs. That's
okay.
why I decided to. I said, okay, let me open another door for myself with my health issues. So I said, at least let me see if I can work from home or something.
Yeah, in this definitely you can work. So only if you are Google certified and Facebook certified. So you will be getting
Yeah.
a lot of plenty of opportunities.
Yeah, that's why I asked you, sir, even after finishing all this course, because you are my teacher. Like for if I start my career with you, so I want to be in touch with you in future. Like if I do anything, if I get anything and I'm occupied, I don't have a time to do, so I can talk to you, I can help, I can take a help, or I can forward it to you. I
Yeah,
don't know how it will
that is
go,
no, no,
but
no. That is possible, but usually no one is calling me. Yeah, I have
no, definitely.
5,000. I have 5,000. See, after completion of the entire course, you will be getting the complete clarity, right? And everywhere I am introducing you the first sources also. So usually you will become independent.
Yeah.
It is sometimes, yeah, maybe sometimes you may need my involvement. Otherwise, you can handle everything. So that is how it is going. But
To
anyhow,
be
I will be
honest,
there in the group. Yeah. You
yeah,
have
to
my
be honest,
website.
sir,
Yeah.
I have it. Yeah, I will go and I want to make some changes on my LinkedIn profile as well. So I'm gonna to ask some few things about that too because my
You
LinkedIn is
just
with the doctor.
for LinkedIn profile, you take my profile and whatever I am doing over there, you do
Right, sir.
as it is over there.
Yeah, that I was gonna to ask. Can I copy and paste?
Yeah, copy paste, no problem. Arey, ye dunya, this is the world. Okay.
Yeah,
So you implement it. Yeah, but you
sure.
use whatever you want and you can copy
Mhm.
paste, no problem. Nothing wrong over there.
Okay. Okay. Because I
Okay.
want to stick with my medical profession. So I know that if in future if I do something, so definitely I want to be in touch with you
Yeah,
because I
please.
want to keep this one as my second one, right?
Sure, sure.
Thank you,
So
sir.
only you stick to see, we have so many things in digital marketing. So only you stick with the
Uh-huh.
Google ads, that is enough for you. I think
Oh,
initially.
okay.
Only focus on the Google ads. See, whatever we have learned, it is the general thing only. Okay. So
Hmm.
from Monday onward, don't miss even a single class because
Yeah,
that
yeah,
is
sure, sir.
going to help you build your career. So only you
Right.
become the Google Ads certified professional and Facebook Ads certified professional. No
Uh-huh.
SEO, no email marketing, no content marketing, no blah blah blah. Because be with a winner makes you a winner. So be with a
Mm.
Google, so you will become succeed.
Right,
Okay. So
sir.
because depend only on the Google. As long as the
Mhm.
Google's business runs, so we will be getting plenty works, right? We will be
Exactly.
full of stomach. So that is
Right.
how even I have decided the same way, right? So I am PPC expert. Like my core area is the Google Ads only. The remaining things, whatever I do, that is the extra thing. But
That is secondary.
I never leave my core area.
Oh, and your
So
code is like a same this Google Ads, sir?
yes, my core is Google Ads only. So I don't
Mm-hmm.
leave that. So I will work on that only because that is feeding me since more than a decade.
Oh,
Okay, so because of that only, I'm able to survive happily. That too without leaving a step out from my house. Simply sitting at home. Okay,
that's so great.
if you know the Telugu, there is a like a chas pite na chas what buttermilk. Okay,
Yes,
even
sir.
if you drink the buttermilk, it won't हिलता नहीं जो बटर मिल्क भी हिलता नहीं पेट में से that is how
I got
simply
it.
that is how
That much
simply
sitting.
sitting only and making money.
Oh my gosh, that's great.
Hmm?
I wish I can learn all these things from you and I become your brilliant student. And I will tell everybody, like, I learned from everything from this, sir. This is my tutor.
Mhm. If you tell everyone again, you will get the competition.
You're right. That I need to learn.
Right.
Right. You know, sir, I think in 2007 or 8, I was in Hyderabad because, like, last time when you were talking about the Banjara Hill, I stayed there for 6 months because I did my internship in LV Prashad. I think you heard about
Yeah,
this
yeah, I know that
house.
LV Prasad Hospital. Yeah.
Exactly. That's a big one. So I did, oh, sorry, not 6 months. I went 4 months. 4 months I stayed there and I
Okay,
did
okay.
my dry eyes internship there. It's a good one.
Yeah, yeah. Big hospital that is
It's
LV
really big
Prasad.
one.
Yes.
Yeah. Mhm.
Okay
Okay,
then.
sir. I'll be in touch.
Yeah,
Bye, sir.
sure.
Take care.
Bye.
Have a great day.
Thank you. So don't miss the class from Monday onwards as we are going to
Sure,
start
sir.
the Google Ads. Okay,
Yeah, sir. Definitely.
done. Anybody else, guys? Pooja, Shubham, Shubhendu, Srinivas, Nitin, Murlinath, Meghna. Yeah, Pooja. Any doubt?
No, no questions. That's
Okay.
why I'm asking to you. That is a free internship or paid internship? Yes. So,
Okay. So it depends on that. Yeah, it depends on the opportunity which we get it. Like whoever is interested, send your resume to me. So I will forward it to the companies. Different companies are there. So they will select actually.
because I'm having experience of 2.5 years in non-technical, means like technical support executive, and then I have switched means I'm doing this course. So
Experience in
I
what? You have the technical
uh,
experience means what? What technical experience you have?
technical support means like networking.
Hmm.
Yeah. And after that, after my marriage, then I'm doing this course. So I'm having 1 year of gap of my career. Means last year I got married, and then I'm still doing this course right now.
Okay. So
So
can you write the good articles? Do you have the writing skill? What is that skill which you want to sell? As of now, what are the skills which you have?
yes, so I'm doing so I'm Excel. So I'm good in Excel, advanced Excel, and Word, PowerPoint like that. I
Okay.
just
So
plan my mind,
no, no.
just
So I will
networking
put you
part.
in the Google Ads only. Keyword research department. I will put you. If you have the good skills in Excel, I will put you in the Google keyword research department. Okay, that is what I am asking.
Okay.
Okay, in which whatever the skill you have, so if you let us know, then it is better to put you in the right place.
Okay. No, no. I'm sending my resume to you, and then after you take an interview, and then I shortlisted in that different part. Then I will take an internship from that
Yeah, yeah.
organization.
Please do that. Yeah. Okay, guys. We'll continue on Monday.